In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Voucher Excel to QuickBooks Desktop. By the end, you'll know how to prepare your spreadsheet, bring it into QuickBooks Desktop, and verify everything with confidence. We'll start with the Excel file. Make sure your sheet is clean, consistent, and includes the essentials: a vendor or payee name, a date, an account or expense category, an amount, and if you use it, a memo or description. Add a payment method only if it applies to your process. Keep your file in .xls or .xlsx format so QuickBooks can read it. Scan for duplicates and either remove them or clearly mark them so you don't create extra transactions. And before you do anything else, save a backup copy of that Excel file. QuickBooks can't import arbitrary layouts, so a structured, well-labeled sheet will save you time during mapping. Now let's enable the import in QuickBooks Desktop. Open QuickBooks Desktop, then go to File, Utilities, Import, and choose Excel files. If you see Advanced Import, click it. In many recent Pro, Premier, and Enterprise editions, Advanced Import lets you map your Excel columns directly to QuickBooks fields, which is exactly what we want for accuracy. Next comes Mapping. Select your Excel file, then choose the transaction type that best represents your vouchers, such as bill, check, deposit, or journal entry. Carefully map each column. Vendor or vendor name should go to payee, date should map to transaction date, account should map to the expense or account field, amount goes to amount, and memo maps to memo. If you'll be importing similar files in the future, save this mapping as a template so you don't have to repeat these steps. Before committing, use the preview option. QuickBooks will display how your data lines up, and this is your chance to spot errors or missing fields. If something looks off, cancel, fix the Excel sheet or the mapping, and preview again. When everything checks out, click Import. Remember, importing creates transactions immediately, so that earlier backup really matters. After the import, verify your vouchers. For bills and checks, head to Vendors, then Vendor Center. Open a few imported transactions and confirm the vendor or payee, date, account, or category, and amount. Match your source data. Make corrections if needed. Once you're satisfied, reconcile the imported transactions with your bank account or accounts payable records. Confirm that the totals match your Excel source so your books remain balanced. Finally, safeguard your work. Back up your